Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and find the Gmail application. Go there, and right now here on the right upper corner tap to this icon, and as can you see, we got here two logged in accounts in our Gmail. So now just to remove one from this account, go to the manage accounts on this device section, and here we got these two accounts. Just tap, for example, we want to remove the first one, just tap on this account, and here tap to the remove account button, and now just confirm to tap again. And as can you see, right now we got here only one account, and we will check. Yes, as can you see, we just successfully log out from from these accounts. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.